Faced with rising costs, global impacts of COVID-19, and a shifting competitive landscape, manufacturers are under pressure to optimize operations and get higher quality products to market faster. IoT can help manufacturers meet these challenging objectives. Using actionable insights and real-time visibility into production, IoT provides the foundation for smart, agile, and highly secure intelligent edge solutions. Informed by artificial intelligence and machine learning, IoT delivers predictive insights to monitor equipment health and alert operators to potential issues, so customers can take action and keep production lines running smoothly. Real-time performance data and visibility into production flows enables manufacturers to optimize operational equipment effectiveness and drive plant efficiencies at lower costs. As conditions change, actionable intelligence enables manufacturers to act quickly by updating and enhancing product designs to reduce costs. Additionally, manufacturers can ship products faster with end-to-end visibility through autonomous supply chains. It's no wonder that manufacturers are rushing to embrace IoT. Using advanced analytics and artificial intelligence, Siemens MindSphere powers industrial IoT solutions from the edge to the cloud to optimize operations, enhance products, and deploy new business models. MindSphere enabled one automotive manufacturer to boost assembly quality, meet shop floor needs, deliver rapid ROI, and respond quickly to changes. Azure IoT enables Industry 4.0 and a more resilient and sustainable future. Increase uptime, optimize overall equipment effectiveness, and improve production quality and efficiency with Microsoft partner solutions built on Azure IoT.